So this is called Model Magic. This is a type of clay that you can purchase as one packet. If you go to the dollar store, there's different colored Model Magics. This is just a small bag that I order off of an art supply store. And I'm going to pass out this Model Magic, but I'm going to first show you how to color it, okay? And I have a pair of scissors here, so I'm going to open up my Model Magic bag. And inside the bag is actually white Model Magic. When you go to the dollar store and you buy the package, it's really cheap. It's only like $1. It's usually not white though, okay? So it's usually, oh, no blurting. It's usually a color like red, blue, or yellow, okay? So this is white Model Magic, and this is a type of clay. It kind of feels like a marshmallow or a squeezy marshmallow. And as soon as you get the clay, you can squeeze it, you can push it, you can pull it. But I'm going to show you today how we're going to section, it's called section, or separate our clay into 3 different spheres. And when you come up, I'm actually going to cut the clay in half. So one person is going to get one piece and you're going to get the other. This is still like a lot of clay because we're going to be using the clay to make a heart magnet, okay? So I am going to, you could either pinch it, watch, I'm going to take this clay and I'm going to pinch in the middle and I'm going to roll it up. Look, it looks like I have twin hands, huh? So I have 2 pieces of clay that are this pretty much the same size, right? Okay, I'm going to set my big one aside. And I'm going to take my second one and I'm going to pinch it again. So I have 3 pieces of clay, okay? And it should, you know when you make a snowman, it's like large, medium, and then this one's small. I could kind of take a little bit off of this one so that I have more of a clear, small, medium, large, okay? You're going to pick 3 different colors to make your clay, okay? So I'm going to actually start on my biggest one first. I'm going to take my big one and I'm going to take, this is the pad of my hand. See, it's like a little squishy. I'm going to push down on the clay and make a little pancake. And I'm going to gently pick it up and flip it and push again. That's how we flatten our clay out. It doesn't get stuck to the table, okay? Now, some of these markers are mixed up. This one's mixed up. I'm not worried about that right now. Okay, one day I'll get all super organized, but that's not the day today, okay? I'm actually going to start coloring. I want this clay to be blue all the way through. So I'm taking the side of my marker and coloring it in, closing. Now I'm going to fold it, and I'm going to pull and flip, and pull and flip, and pull and flip. I'm coloring my clay, okay? The more I do this, the more colorful this is going to get. Now, it's not totally blue yet, so I'm going to do what? Roll it into a sphere. A sphere is a 3D circle. Look. And I'm going to push, flip, push. Now it's kind of like a pretty marble blue, isn't it? Whoa. You could also color your clay with a bingo dauber, but this gets really messy fingers. So I'm going to take my lid. I'll show you. Look here, please. I'm going to dot my clay. You kind of want to get the juice onto your clay. I'm going to put the lid on there. I dropped it. Okay, now I'm not just going to put my hand right on there because that would just make my hand like messy. See, we don't want to do that. I want to fold it first, fold it again, and then I could start pulling and flipping, pulling, flipping, pulling, flipping, okay? And the more I do that, the more my clay gets colorful, okay? And my hands aren't too messy, all right? So maybe the first one is blue, and maybe my second one I want to make yellow. So I sphere, press, flips, press, flip, take my color, push, push, push. You just want to coat it.
That is like a song.
Okay, am I done? No. I fold it, I pull and flip. You kind of want to just turn it into itself and keep moving until the clay changes, and now it's making some yellow clay, okay? In a second, when you're done with doing all three, in a second, I'm going to also give you a bag to put your clay in. This bag keeps the clay from drying out. This is the bag it came in. I can't zip that closed though, so I have to give you a Ziploc bag that looks something like this. And I'm going to put a piece of tape up here and right here, and then your name will go on the bag. At the end of class, I'm going to have you put all of your clay inside. What happens if these two stick to each other? Nothing, because you can kind of pull that back off. It's no problem. You're going to push it in there. Can I leave it open?
Yeah.
What happens if I leave it open? It dries and I can't use it again. So I kind of gently push the air out, and then I just pinch and I glide my pinch down the Ziploc. Okay? We'll use these next week, but that's what we're doing today.
One's white.
Yeah, I'm not done yet. Yours might not be done either. Okay? Okay.